So ice cold, good humor. They say I'm out of my mind, standing on the outside, but it's cooler, it's fresher. Hi y'all, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this look. I don't know exactly what I'm going to call it, but it's real simple and easy. And if you like to see how I got this look, just keep on watching. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe before you leave, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So starting off with the Juvia's Place, the Magic palette, and I'm going in with this deep blue shade, and I'm taking it on my outer V, and I'm just going to start by just patting it on first and then blending the shade out. So still with that same shade, I'm just more so like focusing on the outer part and then just bringing the excess on the inner part of the eye and just blending it. So here I'm just taking a different blending brush and I'm just using that to blend out the harsh lines at the top. So with that same palette, I'm next going to go in with the deeper purple. It's like a deep purple, almost blue shade, and I'm just going to use that to do the exact same thing I was doing with the blue shade. Just I'm going to start on the outer V and then blend inward to my inner corner, and I'm starting off like a packing motion to get the most color payoff as possible. So next I'm just going to take my P. Louise base and I'm going to use this to do a half a cut crease. Just remember, always when you're doing a cut crease, you always want to take your time and just like go step by step when doing it so you don't mess up. After I cut the crease, I'm going to go in with the James Charles palette, and I'm taking that blue shade, and I'm also going to go in with the Magic palette as well, and I'm going to be taking this light blue shade and just patting it on top of my lid where I cut the crease. So after I've cut the crease and applied the shadow, I'm just going to go in with the same exact shades that I've been going in with and just use that to further define the outer part and to like blend the two together, like where you see the light shade and the dark shade. I'm just using the excess on that to blend it out so it doesn't look as harsh. So after that, I'm going to go back in with the James Charles palette, and I'm just taking these two shades beside each other, and I'm just using that for my brow bone highlight.
So that is pretty much for the eyes, simple and easy. So now I'm going to move on with my face makeup. So starting off, I'm going to take the Tatcha Silk Canvas and I'm going to be using this as my primer. And I just mainly focus this in my T-zone area. So moving on to foundation, I'm going to take the Born This Way foundation in the color Caramel and just apply this all over my face. So after I apply my foundation, I'm going to apply my lash. And I get my lashes off AliExpress. I will try to leave the link in the description bar below. After applying my lashes, I'm going to go in with my concealer, and this is the Cover FX concealer in medium 2. And I'm just going to be applying this underneath my eyes, on my forehead, nose, cupid's bow, and chin. Next, I'm going to go in for my contour with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to use this to cream contour. I don't know the exact shade, but I will have it listed down below for you guys. And I mainly just put them all in the parts where I want to contour, so like my cheekbone, my forehead, nose, and underneath my lip. And I'm going in with this dual fiber brush. I really didn't like it as much to use this. It was a little too hard. So then I'm just going to go in with my beauty sponge and further blend it out more. So after I've done that, I'm going to go on with this Morphe palette, and it's like a contour and highlight palette, and I'm just going to be using that shade and using that to set everything that I've cream contour with. So anything that you use cream, you always want to set it with a powder so it doesn't move. So next I'm going in with my Dermablend setting powder. This is the best setting powder. I'm telling y'all, it just makes your under eye area just look extremely flawless. For highlight, I'm just going to be taking the same Morphe palette and just combining the two shades at the bottom for my highlight. next I'm just going to be taking my Urban Decay setting primer and just use that to set my face and just to make it look, come back to life so it won't look so powdery. And then I'm going to go on with my Tarte blush, and I'm going to be using the lightest shade and just applying that as my blush. So now I'm gonna go do my hair. Voila, your girl is back. And that completes this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.